bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
I may be young, but I'm ready to kill you.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl. As you could see from the title, we'll be working with Dorsanee hair, and in today's video, as you could see from the title, I will be showing you guys how I install this quick and easy P18613 lace frontal unit. It is a 13x4 frontal wig unit in 20 inches, and look how gorgeous this hair is. Do you see how nice and silky straight? I am living for it, and in today's video I did a quick and easy glueless install. So if you'd like to see how I did that, just keep on watching, and all links for this gorgeous wig will be in the description box for you to purchase. So let's jump into today's tutorial with Dorsanee hair.
I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow. It's driving me crazy. I can't explain the way I feel. Top down with the radio out, and the night belongs to us. Just hold me close, don't let me go. So in love, I don't care what they say. I don't care if they talking tomorrow.
Saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, we gon' so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. $400. Now we give me 50 girls, now we give me 50. This is slide on me, you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and know your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know it's strategy, I know your vibe. Keep the fuck from you, all that nigga fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all back seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Alright you guys, so this is my finished look, and this unit is from Dorsanee hair. They went ahead and sent me this P18 613 20-inch straight unit in 13x4 lace frontal. It is a wig unit and I am so in love. This unit was super easy to work with, and I don't know about you and doing baby hairs on colored wig units. I love me a good flat, you know, pretty much basic put on middle part bust down wig unit when it is in color. I don't like to do baby hairs because, like, what's the point even? But this gorgeous unit is so stunning. It's really making me look like I have like that doll effect, which is absolutely insane. But I'm loving this gorgeous wig unit and the color on my skin tone, because it is pretty much like if you were to add like Wella T18, and that is definitely that type of color. So, you know, it was already pre-toned from that 613 Barbie blonde. So I'm really living for this gorgeous unit. It's really nice and soft, silky straight, really nice and smooth, and I am living for how this wig feels. If you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig, which I would highly recommend, I'm not getting shedding, I'm not getting tangling, and this is literally the perfect grab and go, put on, take off, because all I did was just use adhesive spray. The adjustable band that's in the back that I showed you guys in the beginning of the wig allows for this wig to just remain glueless, so I really did not have to use any glue, any real type of permanent or semi-permanent adhesive. So this is what I use, this spray. Super easy to remove. You literally would have to just spray some water on it or just take it off. You could literally just yank it off. But as of right now, we are super secure with this band and the adhesive spray, so there's no yanking and going anywhere because the unit is fully secured on my head right now. And I'm just living for how easy this unit was able to install and how easy it is just to wear it, take it off if I feel like, and just switch it up. So thank you so much for Dorsanee here for sending me this gorgeous wig. And if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.